Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, she is back again. I am Rachel. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell because that is how you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Please join the family because I want you to join the family. Don't be shy. Hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell. It is totally free. It does not cost you anything at all. And for my new and old subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me, for sticking with me. I do appreciate you guys. Thanks again and welcome back. Okay guys, let's quickly jump into this video. So guys, I tried something on my hair that really keep my hair moisturized for 1 week and 3 days, and I am really excited to share it with you. This DIY, it is boom. I have to say that. Seriously, it is. Isn't that good, guys? Okay, I'm gonna come close to you so you can see how my coils feel like. This is how my twists look like after taking them out today, which is today is 28th of November 2019, and I did this twist last week Monday, and I just left them like that because you know it is cold weather, and I don't really want the cold weather to freeze my hair. I don't want my hair damaged, so I just left my hair on twist. And this morning I woke up, I said, okay, I was going to class. I said, I'm just gonna take my twist out because I want to feel different today. So I take them down and I said, okay, I'm gonna film this, guys, so you can see the result of 1 week and 3 days. This is so nice, seriously. I wasn't even expecting this DIY to keep my hair moisturized for a week, not to even talk of a week and 3 days. So I am really happy. So I'm gonna share it with you guys so you can learn how to do it on your own. You guys know I like doing DIY product a lot. I like trying things different. I like doing inexpensive product, mixing them together to see how they turn out. Okay guys, let's jump into it. See you very soon. Bye. So this is my comb powder. Oh yeah, it is written in Spanish, which we call it here Mayonnaise, but it's corn powder. You can also call it custard, but this is the white custard. Okay, I'm just gonna take a few spoons and I will be mixing it with my water, yeah, as I'm doing here. Just gonna pour my water and mix it together. It was a bit hard. I was struggling with the mixing, but you have to try to mix it very well so it doesn't turn out with some seed on it, because I didn't want it to turn out with some seed. I just want it to turn out really good and smooth. So I will keep on mixing it. Afterward, I will take my hot water, which I've already had my hot water in the fire boiling now, as I'm doing here. Yeah, just pour my hot water, then I will keep on mixing it. But you have to mix it very fast so it doesn't turn out with seed on it, because if you don't mix it fast, it can turn out very bad. So I was doing it very fast, but you have to be careful with your hands so you don't get burned. Okay, now after I'm done with that, I'm gonna take my blended machine, and I'm just gonna pour in on my blended machine. Okay, this was so nice, guys, because I've been looking for so long on how to do my own mayonnaise, and you know what, I just figured it out and I said, yeah, I'm gonna do this. Now I will be adding my grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is very good on low porosity hair because it's light oil, it can absorb very fast. And I will be adding 1 tablespoon of avocado oil and olive oil. I will also take a little bit of coconut oil, tablespoon. It was a bit hard, but it's okay because the custard was still hot, so it was able for me to mix it quicker. And this is my quail eggs. I've already mixed it before, but I wanted you guys to see how it looked like. I added 7 quail eggs. Now I'm gonna start blending. And when you are blending the mayonnaise, if you find it too hard, you can add a little bit water to it, which I did. Just add a little bit water to reduce the hardness. More water, just to make it easier for me to blend. And guys, this was so nice, you know, and that is it. It is super easy. This is so good that I was able to figure this out, how to do my own mayonnaise, because I've been really like thinking about it, how to figure it out, and I finally did it, guys. And this DEY mayonnaise Pre-Poo was super nice. It really moisturized a lot. If you haven't tried this method, you can try it to see how it will turn out on your hair. For me, it does moisturize a lot. It really keeps my hair super moisturized. I was really like happy. I was happy. I was pleased with the result. Okay, so you can give it a try. There is no harm on it at all, giving it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you very soon. Bye.